teaching me how to love, for showing me what the world means and what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, for showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I hope for is thanks to you. There's no mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no fall from grace can't stop me from believing that my love will see me through. Thanks to you. I thank you, and it's all because of you. There's no mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak. There's no fall from grace can't stop me from believing that my love will see me through. Thanks to you. Teaching me how to live, for putting things in perspective, for teaching me how to give and how to take no mistake. We were put here together, and if I break down, forgive me, but it's true that I'm making with the love I feel inside.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Lolo! This is Jaden. Wait, say hi, Daddy. Okay. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo. Ay, no. Happy birthday! Okay, blue ka na. Yay! Happy birthday, Lolo! Oh, more? Okay, more. Okay, sing ka sa Lolo, ha? Okay. Happy birthday, Lolo! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Lolo! I love you, Lolo. See you soon. Lolo, I love you. Okay, blow the candle. Yay! I love you, Lolo. Hi. I love you. Kiss, kiss. Hi, Daddy. Happy birthday po. Surprise! Ay, careful lang. Okay, Dad. Happy birthday. Thank you po for everything. And to Nanay too, thank you as well for everything. Thank you po for taking care of my son, si Jover. Thank you for loving, to Jover. And binigyan ka namin ng big party. You deserve it, Daddy. And kami ng mga kapatid ko na talaga nag-effort. Thank you din sa lahat. And Daddy, thank you sa lahat ng advice at pagmamahal. bawat isa sa amin. And see you guys soon. Hopefully this year po, end of this year, we're going back home. Kita-kita tayo dyan. And wish ko sa daddy, anong tawag dito? Wala nang inom kasi mo tumatanda na kayo. Huwag na kayo masyado mag-inom. Ano na lang, magsabong na lang. At saka, to Jover, mahalin mo ang daddy at saka nanay. Basta, enjoy ka sana ngayong birthday mo and yeah, uwi na kami. Lapit na. Lapit rin ang lahat. Been 12 years. Long years, Dad. Going back home. And, basta, sana nakita-kita tayo, Dad. Gusto na kayo lahat. Sobrang miss. Sobrang miss. Love you all. Happy birthday again. Thank you. Thank you. Bye, Lolo. Bye, Lolo. Okay. Bye, Joker. See you soon. Kuya Joker.
Thanks to you. Thanks to you. Thank you, Mama.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Lolo! Ito po si Jaden na makulit. Okay, happy birthday, Lolo! Happy birthday, Lolo! Okay, blow. Okay, sapa. Sapa. Yay! Happy birthday, Lolo! See you soon! Bye-bye! Okay, bye-bye! Hi, Daddy! Ay, sinakpa. Bumalik ka na. Basta, ayoko.
Okay, Be.
Yun, Jada, ayun na. Happy birthday, Lolo. Amen. Ayun na, init na, Jada. Ayun na. Hi, Lolo. Hi, Lolo. Happy birthday. Surprise. Oh, dali. Hi, Lolo. Happy birthday. Surprise. Dali. Mag-google na kanda. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday. Oh, dali. Dali, happy birthday. Nasama mo sa Lolo. Dali. Happy birthday. Okay, blow the candle. Blow the candle. Yay! Happy birthday, Lolo. Hi, Lolo. Happy birthday. O, ano? Okay na yun? Mali.
O, live na eh. Ako, di ka nabasa.
Sabi mo, testing muna, di ba?
O, sige, isa pa.
Saka mo, no?
Isa pa uli.
Hi! Surprise! Happy birthday, Lolo! Surprise, Daddy! Happy birthday po! Hi, Dad! Surprise! Happy birthday! Cut mo. Hi! Surprise! Happy birthday, Lolo! Happy birthday po! Ito na po ang apo niyo si Jaden. Makulit! Dali na. Sing mo muna kay Lolo. Dali. Happy birthday, Lolo! Okay. Hi, guys! Happy birthday! Surprise! ba cut muna lang kami ito? Nagpapasok lang kami sa
Naman.
bago.